Alright guys, so the camera is protected. There's a protector for the camera, which is very nice. What a cool thing that they did that. Um, Everything came off very easily. Looks like the strap will be easy to use so that I can mount the battery up here. Wow, this looks nice in every way. There's antennas back here. I'm hoping we'll get some very nice footage back to the goggles, because that would be awesome. I do not know if I could bind this here drone instead of this remote control, because this has the opposite thing to what I'm used to for some reason, to another remote that I have, and maybe that'll be better, or how to learn how to fly the opposite way. That's weird.
Likey